Class 11th. Today we'll be discussing about exercise 14.4, but the second half of second 14.4, and the topic is mean deviation for group data. And mean deviation, when we started finding mean deviation, we started finding mean deviation in two ways: mean deviation at mean and mean deviation about median. So there are two ways: about mean and about median. And mean deviation about mean, we write it like this: mean deviation about mean, and mean deviation about median, we write it like this. Okay, this was the last class in the last week that we had in maths, that is on Friday. I gave you a video on that and you had to do question number 1 to 8. Now we'll be looking forward. We'll be looking at mean deviation for group data. And group data is classified in two categories. One is discrete frequency distribution. When we talk about discrete frequency distribution, it means it's not in divided into class. For example, uh, this is x and this is f frequency: x1, x2, x3, x4. This is f1, f2, f3, f4. So as you guys can see in all this data, how can I find the median, or we can say mean deviation about mean? So first I have to find mean. What is going to be the mean for this? Mean is going to be E fi xi upon E fi. This is mean. But how to find mean deviation in this? That is, mean deviation according to about mean is E frequency, sum of frequency, multiplied by modulus of deviation, x minus mean, upon EFI. So, and this Fi, the sum of frequency, we also call it what? The sum of frequency, we also call it N, number of frequency. So that's why we take it this outside, and what do we write? 1 upon N equals to sum of frequency into modulus of deviation. So this is the formula that we usually use for discrete frequency distribution. Okay, we'll just take an example so that it's understandable, and we'll be able to do some questions on them as well. So we'll see example number, or we'll see a question from the exercise. Okay, we'll see question number question number 10, first part. Okay, we'll be looking at question number 10, first part. Okay, let's have a question 10. I have done a little bit of arrangement in question number 10, or I have done a little bit of छेड़छाड़ in question number 10. The question says find the mean deviation about median. पर मैंने क्या question बना दिया? Find the mean deviation about mean. And then इस question में 98 और नीचे 1 मैंने अपने आप लिख दिया. Is that okay? The very first thing I'll do is, I know that I have to find the mean deviation about mean. Okay, so my main thing to find is mean deviation about mean, but I need to find mean before that. So how to find mean? E f I x I, sum of frequency into x terms upon E f I, right? So if I multiply them and add them, you can make a table out of it. That would be great. So the table is going to look something like this. So this is going to be x f, and this is going to be fi xi, and there are other two also. Okay, so x is 15, 21, 27, 30, 35, and 98. So if I multiply 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. So if I multiply fi into xi, then I'll be getting a 45, 105, and then I'll be getting 27 6 are 6 to 162, 37 are 7 3 21, 210, and 35 8 are is 280, and 98 1 is 98. Is it okay? if I add all of them, I'll be getting 900 in total. And if I add the frequency, I'll be getting 30 frequency. So what's my mean? My mean is going to be 900 over 30. And if I cancel them out, I'll be getting 30 as my mean. So what's my mean? Now I'll find mean deviation. Okay, I'll find mean deviation. How to find mean deviation? xi माइनस मीन. और ये क्यों लगाता हूँ मैं? ताकि पॉजिटिव नंबर ही मिले मुझे बाहर. तो जैसे मेरे पास 30 आया, 30 माइनस 45 इज गोइंग टू बी, थिंक अबाउट इट, या 45 माइनस, देन इट्स गोइंग टू बी माइनस 15, सॉरी 15. ओके, बट चाहे माइनस है, चाहे पॉजिटिव हो या नेगेटिव हो, इस जब ये बाहर है तो पॉजिटिव नंबर निकल के आएगा बाहर. अच्छा, 30 इसमें से माइनस कर देंगे हम लोग. जैसे 30 माइनस कर दिया इसमें से हमने, तो कितना आएगा आपके पास? 95, 85, 75. ओके, 30 इसमें से माइनस कर दिया तो आपके पास कितना आएगा? 132. इसमें से माइनस कर दिया तो कितना आएगा आपके पास? 180. इसमें से माइनस कर दिया 250. और इसमें से माइनस कर दिया 88, 78, 68. Okay, so this is xi minus the mean, and this is called deviation. And then I'll multiply fi into the deviation, and then I'll get a column by multiplying this thing and this thing. So 3 into 15, I'll get something that is going to be 45, and 5 into 75, I'll get something that's going to be 225. Okay, like this I'll get a number over here. So whatever comes over here after total, so what's my formula of finding mean deviation about mean? That is mean deviation about mean. What I'll be doing is, my formula is 1 upon n, and then what is it? Sum of इसका सम, इस कॉलम का सम ऑफ. तो आपका जो यहाँ सम आएगा, आप इस पूरे की जगह लिख दोगे यहाँ पे. ओके, अपॉन एन कितना है आपका? एन इज दिस 30. ओके, सो यहाँ जो भी आएगा आपका, इसको और इसको मल्टीप्लाई करके यहाँ टोटल आएगा जो, वो यहाँ पर आ जाएगा. क्योंकि ये जो यहाँ आंसर होता है वो होता है सम ऑफ एफ आई इंटू मॉड्यूलस ऑफ एक्स आई माइनस बाई मीन. Okay, and then you'll get your answer in numbers. Let's have a look in mean deviation about median. Mean deviation about median का मतलब होता है कि मुझे मीडियन के हिसाब से मीन डेविएशन निकालना है. अब जब मीन डेविएशन अबाउट मीडियन आता है तो आपका फॉर्मूला लगता है मीन डेविएशन अबाउट मीडियन, एंड द फॉर्मूला इज सम ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी इनटू xi माइनस मीडियन अपॉन sum of frequency. Okay, this can also be written, the formula can also be written 1 upon n, that is number of frequency or the sum of frequency, and this can be same as it is. The first thing that you always have to find whenever the question is given, you have to find the median. Okay, after you are able to find the median, then you'll be finding what? Then you'll be finding xi minus m. So we'll do a question on it. Okay, we'll do question. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll have to find the mean deviation about median in this question. I'll again make a table. Okay, and in this table what I'll be writing, I'll be okay, so this is marks obtained, this is number of students. Okay, so marks obtained are 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, and the number of students are 2, 3, 8, 3, 4. Now what I'll do, this is x, this is f. Okay, so I'll find the median, but first I'll find cumulative frequency. Okay, cumulative frequency I'll find. So how to find cumulative frequency? This is going to 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 3, 16, 16 for 20. And I can easily find कि sum of your total number of frequency are how much? 20. या अगर इसको भी ऐड करता हूँ मेरे पास 20 आएगा. तो 20 का आधा क्या होता है? अगर आप देखोगे 20 का आधा क्या होता है? Think about it. You have to find median, right? 20 का आधा क्या होता है? जब भी इवन नंबर होते हैं देन वी यूज दिस फॉर्मूला n अपॉन 2 ऑब्जर्वेशन प्लस n अपॉन 2 प्लस 1 observation upon 2. So I'll start finding n is 20 over 2 plus 20 over 2 plus 1 upon 2. So 20 over 2, that is going to be 10 plus 10 plus 1, 11. Okay, 11, and then what I'll get, 10 and plus 2. Yes, so it's 10th observation and 11th observation upon 2. So 10th observation plus 11th observation upon 2. So what's my 10th observation? Please have a look. 10th observation और 11th observation कहाँ पर आएगा आपका? Can you guys see? It's gonna come over here. इसमें 12 में 10th भी आएगा और 12th भी आएगा. Okay, so 10th and 11th observation कितने बच्चों के आए? Marks obtained is 12. Okay, so 12 plus 12 upon 2. So that is going to be 24. 24 over 2 is 12. So what's my median? My median is 12. मुझे मीडियन मिल गया. अब मैं क्या करूँगा, xi माइनस मीडियन का रख दूंगा एक कॉलम. सो xi दैट इज 2 माइनस मीडियन इज 12 एंड एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू में लिख दूंगा ताकि मेरा नेगेटिव साइन ही ना आए बाहर. सो इट्स गोइंग टू बी 10, 12 minus 3 9, 12 minus 8 is going to be how much? Think about it. 4 and minus 3 again 9 and minus 4 again 8. And then I'll multiply the frequency wala column and I minus median wala column. So that is going to be, okay, I'm sorry about this, ये इससे subtract नहीं होगा. I'm really sorry guys, I'm really sorry. So this is going to be, my median is going to get subtracted by this. So 12 minus 10, that is going to be 2. 11 is going to be, this is going to be 1. This is going to be 0. This is going to be 2 and this is going to be 3. So if I multiply the frequency in this column, I'll get 4 and this 3, this 0 and this 3 2s are 6 and 4 3s are 12. Okay, and when I add this column will be called sum of frequency into deviation using median. So that is going to be 7 plus 6 13 and 13 plus 12 is going to be 25. Okay, so now what I can do is I can write the formula of finding a mean deviation according to mean is equals to, what is the formula says? What does the formula says guys? Xi upon n can be number of frequency as well. So what is the this I got this as 25. Okay, and what is this number of frequency I have 20. Okay, so I can cancel them out for making it easy, and that can be that is 5 5s are 5 4s are. Okay, and then I can divide them and bring them in points. So it's going to be 1.25. This is my answer. Okay, this is my mean deviation about median. Okay, that's how you do this type of question. We're looking at how to find mean deviation about mean in a continuous frequency distribution. Why I'm saying continuous frequency distribution? Because this is continuous, 0 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 12 for group data. This is a group data and continuous frequency distribution is given to us. But the formula that we'll be using will be using mean deviation using mean about mean, and the formula is going to be the same formula, that's going to be modulus. This is the formula that we'll be using. Is that okay? So the very first thing or my job is to find mean. If I'm able to find mean, then I'll be able to fix this in this area. So I'm going to make a table right now, and the table is going to go something like this. Okay, so I have class interval, I have frequency, I have mid points, that is again I'm going to take x or the data as, then I have u. Okay, let's have a look what we can do. So class interval, I'm just writing in short, that's going to be 0 say 4, 4 say 8, 8 say 12, 12 say 16, and 16 say 20. So I have frequency also, frequency is 4, 6, 8, 5, 2, and the total frequency, if I write EFI, that's going to be sum of frequency, I'll write 25. The sum of frequency is 25, and to take xi, or I'll take the mid points 0 से 4 तक के कितने, कौन सा मिड पॉइंट है 2, इसका कौन सा मिड पॉइंट है 6, इसका कौन सा है 10, 14, 18. So I took xi as well. Now my job is to find mean. How to find mean? That's the ultimate goal. If I'm able to find mean, it's gonna be really, really great for me. Okay, so let's figure out how to find mean. So I can find mean directly also. How? Mean can be found out like this: EFI xi upon EFI. This is mean. Okay, so I'm going to find mean now. That is going to be fi into xi, और I can say इसको mean भी बोल सकते हैं. अभी मीन नहीं बोलेंगे, एफ आई इंटू एक्स आई करेंगे हम लोग. तो 4 2 ज़ा 8, 6 6 ज़ा 36, 8 10 ज़ा 80, 5 इंटू 14 इज 70, 2 इंटू 18 इज 36. एंड इफ आई एड दैम, तो अगर मैं इसका टोटल करता हूँ, दैट इज ई एफ आई एक्स आई, आई विल गेट 230. सो व्हाट्स माई फॉर्मूला फॉर फाइंडिंग मीन? ई एफ आई एक्स आई अपॉन ई एफ आई. सो ई एफ आई एक्स आई कितना होता है? 230 अपॉन 25. And what is my answer that I'm going to get? 9.2. So I got my answer as 9.2, and this is not how the book people have done. They have taken out u or the mean deviation, but now I'll directly find this part, x minus mean का modulus. So x minus x का modulus, mean का modulus. So where is x? X is this. What is mean? Mean is 9.2. So if I subtract 9.2 from 2, what I'll get? 7.2. And if I subtract 6, 3.2. And this is going to be 0.8, 4.8, and 8.8. Is that okay? Now I'll multiply, because in the formula this is getting multiplied by this. So I'm going to multiply this by this. So if I multiply this by this, what is the number that I'm going to get? 4 7s are 28. So fi into modulus of this. So I'll just write it down. I'll be getting 28.8, sorry, 28.8, 19.2, 6.4, 24.0, 17.6. and if I add all of them, I'll get 96. Okay, so you guys understood कि मेरा जो फॉर्मूला एक ही काम करेगा शुरू से लेके आखिरी तक, जब मीन डेविएशन ढूंढना है मीन के अकॉर्डिंग. सो मैंने क्या किया, मैंने इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करके टोटल लिख दिया. तो मेरा टोटल कितना है? 96. और ये कितना है मेरा? 25. तो अगर मैं 96 ओवर 25 करूँगा तो मेरा आंसर कितना आएगा? 3.84. सो दिस इज माई मीन डेविएशन अबाउट मीन. ठीक है, डेविएट कितना और क्या है, डेविएशन कितना, डिस्पर्सन कितना टेक प्लेस कर रहा है, तो ये मैं फिगर आउट कर सकता हूँ यूजिंग, फर्स्ट आई हैव टू फाइंड मीन, मेन जॉब, और अगर मीडियन के अनुसार है तो फर्स्ट आई हैव टू फाइंड मीडियन एंड देन आई हैव टू स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन दिस क्वेश्चन. ओके, आई होप यू गाइस डिड अंडरस्टूड दिस एंड डिड गॉट इट. एंड जब भी हम मीडियन भी लेके करेंगे, इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू बी हार्ड. द वेरी फर्स्ट थिंग यू डू इज फाइंड मीडियन यूजिंग क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी. पहले क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी ढूंढो, तो 3 कॉलम हो जाएंगे आपके पास. एक तो ये वाला हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा, उसके बाद क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी हो जाएगा, उसके बाद एक्सआई वाला हो जाएगा. फिर क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी से आप पता कर सकते हो कौन सी मिड टर्म है या मीडियन कौन सा है. अब फिर मीडियन आप इससे माइनस कर देना x से और यहाँ लिख देना, फिर जो f वाला पार्ट है और इस वाला मीडियन वाला पार्ट होगा उससे मल्टीप्लाई करके एक नया कॉलम निकलेगा. ओके, सो दैट्स हाउ यू विल डू दैट क्वेश्चंस ऑन मीन डेविएशन, अबाउट मीन, about continuous frequency distribution. I hope you guys got something out of it. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day everyone. Take care of yourself.